It must be upper 60s right now. This thing dropped the temperature 20 degrees at least. Hello. That noise is actually an aircraft. Look at that. That's a big one. That's very large. It's so wonderful out here to be able to walk around without being attacked by flies. Nice wind. A little exercise stroll before this thing's going. Usually track this way.
Nah, it'll be fine.
Nice. Easily get over here. Separate vehicle. I thought it was connected. Oh, truck. Facing backwards. That's great. Look at that. That's a nice bumper. I'd like to have some good parts. OMC. Is that an old GMC? I can't see really well. Never seen that before, which doesn't mean very much. There might be enough to check. Wait a second. F-E-R-R-O, Faro. GMC, yeah, I guess that's General Motors Corporation, old logo. I've never seen that. It didn't mean anything. I saw his registration plate. Money. So they had this set up as crate of some kind. Far out. Right on. The pedal still works, except for that one. Well, there's the key. Still got the key. It's not going anywhere. General Motors, Corporation. This is great. I don't know what they made this for. Made out of this. But they took the door and they welded it here. Kind of an awkward snowplow, but maybe it was a freaking snowplow. More details should emerge as the rest of the weeds go down. Now this thing inspection port, not a nameplate. It's probably recognizable to whoever knows farm machines. Of course, some kind of a harvester. Nice monument. That is great. Shoot. I'm sure these things are 100% intact as far as whatever they are. Oh, it's case. There's a case. Case logo. Corn harvesters. Very nice. Okay, we should snoop around next. I think this is interesting. You just have this little corral here by itself. I'm pretty sure the storm's tracking that way. That's how they seem to be. I think this thing's going to miss us, else I wouldn't be strolling around here so casually. Old corral. Not going to go down to the creek yet because of bugs. Let's go this way. You know, this guy knows his field like his own yard. So he harvests and cuts around what's already in the field. And I just wonder if there's uneven ground or something, because there's random spots where he just completely goes around like that big patch there. You know, there's a reason. One of which may be I don't see any hay growing on it, but I wonder why. Maybe it's wet. There is indeed, I noticed that there was some soft ground, maybe a little drop on the gate. So I don't want to be backing up into that. Not even harvesting it. This makes sense. They put this cattle trough there because it's probably a natural seep or a stream. New Big 4. Now, is this beautiful or is this beautiful? Look at gears on that. That's all it is. So this should be in. This is a monument. Bow, bow, bow. They do not make them like that anymore. This too is beautiful. Hey, Captain, raise the mizzen mast. giant piles. Oh, okay. Run! Down there at the bottom of that. Just sharp wall. Run.
Don't have anything else to do. Reverse is screwed up. Don't worry, I'm allowing you to have your nest there. I don't care. You provide a great service in destroying the bugs around.